So let us see how a sexual reproduction occurs in Polysiphonia. So remember, I told you that it occurs through tetraspores. No, there was that image in that first video. Okay, here it takes place by haploid non-motile tetraspores. Okay. First, remember the carpospore, which is 2N, it will germinate to produce diploid tetrasporic plant. Okay, that's the plant. Then the plants are independent. Then this diploid nucleus will undergo meiosis. Okay, so from 2N we will get 4. This is the carpospore. It will germinate to produce tetrasporic plant, and then one of the cell will undergo meiosis to produce haploid tetraspores. These are all N. This is N, this is N, this is N, this is all haploid. Then these spores, they will germinate again into haploid plants. Okay. Alright. So let me read again. Sexual reproduction takes place through non-motile tetraspores. The carpospores will directly germinate into diploid tetrasporic plants, which are independent and polysiphonous. Okay, many pipes. Then some pericentral cells of the thallus near the apical region develop sac-like tetrasporangia. Okay, so let's say this is the diploid plant. This is 2N. There are some cells here at the tip, at the apical part. They will form some sort of a sac. Okay, and in this sac, this nucleus, okay, this nucleus will undergo meiosis, meiosis, okay, meiosis, to produce haploid tetraspores. Okay, the spores are arranged tetrahedrally. Okay, you will see in the image. Okay, just be patient, you'll see in the image. So let's look at how they develop. Tetraspores, they are produced in the tetrasporangia. Single pericentral cell of each tier towards apical region functions as tetrasporangial initial. So just like in Lycopodium, remember we always have one initial cell. Okay, this is the initial cell. Since we want to produce the tetraspore, this cell will be as tetrasporial initial. Then this one is smaller. How is it different? Is because it is smaller than other ordinary pericentral cells. Okay, this initial cell will divide vertically, divide this way, into one inner cell and outer cell. Okay, let's say we started with a tetraspore. Okay, this is 2N, diploid cell. Then it will divide. How do I draw? It will divide this way into one initial cell and inner cell and outer cell, I and O. Okay. The inner cell will function directly into the sporangial mother cell. So this is the inner cell and this is the outer cell. This one will become your sporangial mother cell. Okay, and the outer cell, this O, will form the cover cells. Okay, CC. Then the sporangial mother cell will divide again and form 2 or more cover cells. Sorry, the sporangial mother cell will divide again. Now it will divide transversely to form one lower stalk cell and one tetrasporangial cell. So that tetrasporangial cell will develop into a tetrasporangium, and then that nucleus of the tetrasporangium will undergo meiosis to form 4 tetraspores. Okay, let's see, do they show? No, they don't show. Okay, so you can draw with your own, at home only you can draw in your copy. You can draw that we started with a diploid carpospore, then this one is germinate, and at the tip we will form a tetrasporal initial. Then this one will divide like this, inner cell and outer cell. Then this again, this inner cell will divide this way and will form a sporangial mother cell and stalk cell. This is your stalk cell and this one is your sporangial mother cell. Then again, I'll just rub the stalk cell. Okay. So this is the stalk cell. This is the sporangial mother cell. Now this sporangial mother cell, it will undergo meiosis into haploid tetraspores. Okay, this is N. So it's not that tough, it's easy only. They are arranged tetrahedrally inside the see those tetraspores, no? There is 4 of them. Like do you remember the tetrahedral structure of carbon? Used to learn that in college or in school, no? 11, 12. So even these tetraspore, one spore is like this, one spore is here, one spore is here, and the other one is on the other side. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 on the other side, which we cannot see. Okay, they are arranged as a tetrahedral like this. Means one more is there behind. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, 3 and this middle one is 4, the one behind. So you can see the arrangement of the tetraspores there in the tetrasporangium. So the figure shows the portion of the tetrasporophytic plant with tetraspores, and then how that, remember the stalk cell, the initial cell, the steps that I had drawn for you, that is what they are showing here. Okay, here. This is the stalk cell, then the outer cell. They are showing the inner cell and outer cell, how they divide to form finally the tetraspore. So I think it's clear enough, the asexual reproduction part. So then we can go to the next.